Okay, so we're doing a few press drops for a few of our media friends. We have an upcoming YouTube series called Conservation Starter, which starts on the 3rd of October 2021 at 5 o'clock. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and you'll be able to watch that. There's also a series roundtable discussion hosted by my octopus teachers, Craig Foster, and that date is still to be confirmed. The reason why we're doing this is we're collaborating with Series, and because Series are proud to announce their new eco-friendly paper straws on their 200ml juice cartons. I don't know if you can see the paper straws, but you can see that's paper. Okay, so what's going in is we've got a little page. If you scan this, there's a little video, personal message for each of our media friends that we're going to give this to. Follow the hashtag series paper straw challenge and hashtag keep ZA clean to follow the conversation and to win some awesome prizes. So we are giving them this series lunchbox, and these are one of the prizes that's up for grabs. It's a wheat straw lunchbox from Okio. If you watch the video on YouTube, you'll see how many different uses there is for it. Inside the lunchbox, we're pairing it with safari peanuts, salt and vinegar flavored, and we have a branded cookie from Cakes and Bakes by Coco. And we're also putting some pasta grande so they can make some lunch with them in just 5 minutes. And they can pair that with their series 100% fruit juice blend medleys of fruit. And we're just going to put a nice little sticker here. It says you are extraordinary. You extraordinary. Juice so you know you are extraordinary. Okay, put that in. This is so we're giving them a few straws. We've got these bamboo straws which we got from Enviro Mall. These are paper straws, and we're going to see what our media friends are going to come up with their hashtag series paper straw challenge, what creative artwork they can come up with. We've got a series drawstring bag. It's also by Okio, the same people. It's cotton plant bag, drawstring bag. It's the same people that have made this lunchbox. Okay, so we are going to put this series juice in there. We're going to put the lunchbox in as well. We'll put in the pasta. We'll put in this straws. Remember, you can find us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram at iloveza.com. Hashtag after Fajr grind, hashtag iloveza, heart and South African flag, or you can visit our website, iloveza.com. Okay, so this bag, oh, and here's a little leaflet from Series. It says choose eco-friendly paper straws, choose Series, and it's just about the whole campaign that we are doing. And from September 2021, the paper straws will replace the plastic straws. So in store now in September, you'll be able to get the new paper straws on all your favorite series juice, the orange, Hanaport, and the rest of the series range. So don't forget to tune in on the 3rd of October for our YouTube series called Conservation Starter. This bag is now done. It's ready to be shipped off. And I'm Ziyaad, and I love ZA.